وضو کرنے کا ہے. کیا کرنے کا ہے؟ وضو. وضو کا پروننسیشن کیا ہے؟ وضو نہیں ہے پروننسیشن, وضو. وضو کیا ہے پروننسیشن؟ وضو. وضو کے معنی پانی کے آتے ہیں. آپ لوگوں کو پانی کرنے کا ہے یا منہ دھونے کا ہے؟ وضو کرنے کا, ٹھیک ہے نا. سب سے پہلے وضو کریں گے. وضو کرنے کے بعد دوسرا کام کیا ہے؟ اگر آپ مسجد میں جا رہے ہیں تو آلریڈی کیا ہوگی نماز, جائے نماز کیا ہوگی؟ بچھی رہے گی. اگر آپ جائے نماز نہیں تو سب سے پہلے کیا کرنا ہے آپ کو؟ جائے نماز بچھانا ہے. جائے نماز بچھانے کے بعد یہ جو ہے دیکھو اس میں 2 لائن ہے نا, دوسری لائن پہ پیر کو سیدھا کر کے کھڑے ہو جانے کا. کیسا کر کے؟ ایک دم اسٹریٹ کر کے کھڑے ہوئے, سیدھا کر کے. یہ ہاتھ چھوڑ دو. یہ دیکھ رہے ہیں یہاں پہ نمبر 1 کین سی ایوریبڈی. What is there on the number 1? Al-Qiyam. Qiyam. What we call? Qiyam. He is in which position? Can you see here? Number 1. The first thing which starts with Al-Qiyam. What is the name of this position? What is the name of this position? Al-Qiyam. So see, اس نے مصلی بچھایا ہے. مصلی بچھانے کے بعد کیسا کھڑا ہو گیا؟ سیدھا کھڑا ہو گیا نا ایک دم. دیکھو یہ بھی کھڑے ہو گئے آپ کے سامنے. آپ لوگوں کو بھی جب نماز پڑھنے کے لیے جائیں گے تو سب سے پہلے مصلی پہ سیدھا کھڑے ہونا ہے, اسٹریٹ ایک دم. اس کے بعد کیا کرنا ہے؟ اس کے بعد کیا کرنا ہے؟ تکبیر. نیت معلوم ہے نا, کرتے نا پہلے انٹینشن کرنے کا. کس چیز کا؟ کھانا کھانے سے پہلے آپ لوگ سوچتے کہ نہیں سوچتے کھانا کھانے جا رہے ہیں, یا بنا سوچے منہ میں ڈال لیتے؟ بنا سوچے منہ میں ڈالتے یا سوچ کے ڈالتے؟ سوچ کے ڈالتے نا. تو وہاں پہ آپ نماز پڑھنے کے لیے گئے تو اس کے بارے میں آپ انٹینشن کریں گے کہ نہیں کریں گے؟ انٹینشن کیجئے کہ ہم نماز پڑھنے جا رہے ہیں. کس کے لیے نماز پڑھتے ہیں آپ؟ اللہ کے لیے. اونلی اللہ کے لیے. کس کے لیے نماز پڑھ رہے ہیں؟ اللہ کے لیے. اور ان کا فیس کس طرف ہے؟ کعبے کی طرف. کس طرف فیس ہے ان کا؟ تو 2 چیز کی نیت کرنا ہے. کس کے لیے؟ اللہ کے لیے. اور کس طرف فیس کر کے؟ کعبہ کی طرف. یہ 2 چیز کمپلسری ہے. اس کے بعد کتنے رکعت ہے, کون سی نماز ہے, وہ ساری چیزیں آپ کو بولنی ہے, ٹھیک ہے. اس کے بعد تو سب سے پہلے اس کے بعد کیا کریں گے؟ یہ اللہ اکبر. یہ دیکھ لیجئے نمبر 2 التکبیر الاولی. نمبر 2 what is saying? yes say copy. ایسا نہیں, یہ نہیں کرنے کا. کیسا نیت باندھنے کا؟ Can you meditate from this? Yes, one by one. Yes, tell. Yeah, say. Allahu Akbar. Yes, next. Allahu Akbar. Next. نیت کیسے باندھیں گے؟ Allahu Akbar. Yes. Yes. نیت کیسے باندھیں گے؟ All are wrong. See. Yes. See, first thing, when you are standing straight, just make sure your hands are here. Okay? So bring it very straight, forward, backward, not forward. Just bring it, make it straight, then bring it backward like this. Okay? If you want to till here, so it should be straight. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. As you are doing dance like this, no. You are going to stand in front of whom? Allah. So this is the way to stand. This is we should stand in a proper manner. Okay? We should have fear of Allah. ہمارے دل میں کس کا ڈر رہنا چاہیے؟ اللہ کا ڈر رہنا چاہیے. سمجھ میں آ رہی بات؟ وہ ڈر لے کے ہم کو ایک دم ہاتھ کو ایسا کر کے ایک دم ایسا لے کے آئے. If you want to make it till here, تو یہاں تک لے کے آئے. اگر یہاں تک, but hands کیسے رہنے چاہیے؟ ہمیشہ اسٹریٹ. یہاں تک لانا ہے تو بھی اسٹریٹ, یہاں تک لانا ہے تو بھی اسٹریٹ, یہاں تک اٹھانا ہے تو بھی اسٹریٹ. اٹ شوڈ بی ان اے اسٹریٹ پوزیشن. اس کے بعد اللہ اکبر. اوکے, ہاں. اس کے بعد ایسا کرنا. چلے لیٹس ڈو. ہاں, یس, ویری گڈ. Not, it should not be like this. It should be like this. Yes, should be like, because see, when we said in the beginning that we are facing towards the Kaaba, so everything should face towards the Kaaba. If we are doing like this, our hands towards the Kaaba or not? No. ہمارے ہاتھ ہے کعبے کی طرف نہیں ہے نا. تو مڑ جا رہا ہے کہ نہیں مڑ جا رہا ہے؟ تو اس لیے کعبے کی طرف ہونی چاہیے. چلے یس. اللہ اکبر. What we call this takbir? What is the name of this takbir? At-takbirul ula. At-takbirul ula. And what is the second name? Takbir tahrima. Why we call takbir tahrima? Everything was halal before this. Now became haram. We can't do. Can we talk now? After saying Allahu Akbar, can we talk? No. So it became haram. Okay? Can we eat? No. Can we sleep? No. We can't do anything. Okay? When we start our prayer. So that is why we call takbir tahrima. Takbir tahrima. So how many names are the first takbir? Takbir al-ula and takbir tahrima. Is it clear for all? Yes. You continue. Yes. Then after, see, this is the way to put it here. Can you see here? Al-qiyam. In which position he is? Al-qiyam. Then after this, what he will do? What he will do? He will recite surahs. Surah Fatiha, then any surah he knows. Okay? Any surah he knows, he will say. Surah Fatiha, then after any surah which he knows. Okay? Or you know. Then after, next, ruku. Yes, go ahead and ruku. Yes, see. Can you see these hands? How you are making ruku? See. It should not be like this. No. It should not be like this. When you are doing ruku, you should hold this one very tight, like this. Okay? If someone pushing you from backside, you should not fall down. Okay? Did you get? Boys, if someone pushing you from backside, you are not supposed to fall down. Okay? So you should tighten, very tighten this one. Your hands or fingers should be very tight in this one. And the next thing, your back should be very straight. And where you are supposed to look? Between two legs or toes. Between two legs or toes. Okay? What we call this one? Ar-ruku'. What we call? Ar-ruku'. Okay? This is the fourth one. Then after what we will do? In ruku, how many times will we say takbir? 3 times. Okay? 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 9 times, 11 times, 13 times, 15 times, 17 times. As much time you want to say, you can say. Okay? Then you will say Sami'allahu liman hamida. And you will stand like this. Okay? And in which position he is now? Which position he is? Qawma. What we call this one? Qawma. After ruku, which position he is now? Qawma. What he will say? Rabbana lakal hamd. There are 4 types of thing. First thing, Rabbana lakal hamd. Rabbana walakal hamd. Allahumma Rabbana walakal hamd. The fourth one, Allahumma Rabbana walakal hamd. Hamdan kathiran tayyiban mubarakan fi. Okay? Whichever you want, you can choose. The easiest one, which one? Rabbana lakal hamd. Okay? So, he will say Rabbana lakal hamd. How many times? One time only. Okay? One time. Then he will go to the sajda. Sixth position, sujood. Okay? He will go towards the sujood. So how he will go? Yes, beta go. No. How you are supposed to go? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is the exact way. Yes, now go. Yes. Once more. Yes. See. Put your hands there. Then go like this. put your this one on the floor. Then put your hands here, okay, on the floor. Then after between these two hands, you put your nose. What you will put? Nose. Between these two hands, we are supposed to put our nose. Then after what we will put? Forehead. Forehead. Okay. Yes. Go from the standing position. Come back. Stand. From the starting. Yes. Come. Allahu Akbar. सजदे के लिए आओ फिर से. हाँ. चलो उसके बाद आप सजदे के लिए आओ. हाँ. Yes, like this. Yes. But see, his fingers is very open. It should not be in open position.
So like this.
Yes. Yes. Don't close, but don't keep open. Do not close, but don't keep open. Are you getting my point? It should be as it is, but it is not in. It should not be in the open position. Then what will you? Where will you look in this position? कहाँ देखेंगे?
जमीन.
नहीं जी. हाँ, नोज के ऊपर. किसके ऊपर? नोज के ऊपर. सजदे में कहाँ पे देखेंगे? और सजदे में क्या पढ़ेंगे? सुबहान रब्बियल. कितनी मरतबा? 3 times. 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 9 times. As good as possible. Okay? And this hand should be out. Go. This should be, yeah. Then say Allahu Akbar. You will say Allahu Akbar. Then see there. 8th number. Is there 8th number or 7th number? See. What will position this one? Jalsa. Sitting between two sajdas. What we call? Jalsa. Sitting between two sujood. What we call? He is now in jalsa position. Is there any dua?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody knows? Yes. Yes. Between two sajda, is there any dua? Yes, dua is there, but that is optional. If you know, you can say. If you don't know, no need to worry. Okay? What is the dua? Rabbighfirli. Rabbighfirli. This is the smallest one, but this dua is very big. Then after, he will go for the second sujood. Go to the second one. This is the second one. Okay? Then he will do the same thing. Yes. Go with the back. Stand. How you will stand now? Go in the sujood. First forehead. Then your nose. Yes.
Rise.
Forehead. Yes. Then hands. Put hands on the leg. Yes. Then now stand. Yes. You have to stand like this. Okay? When you are coming back, forehead, nose, hands should be here. Then this one. Yes. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Now you will do the same thing which you have done in the first rakah. Whatever you have done in the first rakah, the same thing will be repeated. Then let us sit. After the second salah, please sit down. Sit. जी. बैठ जाओ बेटे, बैठ जाओ. Yes. How will you sit? Yes. See. किसको बैठना था नमाज में? Yes. One by one. Let him come. Please go. Please sit. No. Let him try. No. Yes. Wait. One by one. No. Yes. Yes. Very good. This is the way to sit. One leg you will keep. Okay. Then you will sit on that leg. The second leg will be standing position. Okay. And you will be putting your hands here. See his hands here. And what we call this? This one what we call al-qaida. What we call this position? Al-qaida. What? Yes, sit in qaida position. Al-qaida. What we call this position? Al-qaida. Then you will say tahiyyat. Then you will say Durood Sharif. Then you will say Dua Ma'sura. these three things are 100% required. Qaida, Tahiyyat, Durood Sharif, then Dua Masura. Then after what he will do? Salam. First, which side? Right side, is it? Right side. What he will say? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Who is sitting your right side? You will say to them, Assalamu alaikum, okay? No. You have to look on your shoulder, okay? Not the one who is sitting beside you. You have to look on the shoulder, then you will say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Then left side, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Is it clear all? Yes. Is this clear? Thank you. So this was the method for the boys. Is there any difference, boys and girls?
Yes.
100% difference. Is it?
Yes.
Boys are boys, girls are girls. Then why not difference in the prayer? So there is a difference between prayer also. 100%.